1, 2, 3, at the end, number 4. Bro, why? Bro. Everything but just not the car at the end. Performance, the spider. Bro, and the speed bump. Where the hell? Bro, that's fucked up. Bro, we got more of these. We got at least 3. Speed bump. Whoa. That's good. Wow. Oh no. That's the 918 dude. Jawohl, wunderbar. Bro, everyone has to get over the speed bump. Jesus Christ, that noise. Bro, we don't need that here. Come on. That's bullshit. No, bro, that's bullshit. Next one. Jesus Christ. ABT Euros. Oh. I like that. Bro, competizioni. Teum. Oh, that's sick. Oh, the police. Just casual parked up here. Look at the number plate. And over there we got the competizioni. Stuck in traffic. Very nice. There's the comp. I think he will park. What a thing. Wrong way, buddy. Where is he going? I love that sound. Whoa. Undercover police, the unmarked cop car, always in town. Don't like that car because it's unmarked. That's not good. OZ in town with the SVJ. Oh, that startup. That was loud. Sheesh, that thing is loud. Off he goes. Bro. Wow. Wow. Oh yes, baby. That's how you drive an SVJ in town. That's a loud one. That's a loud one too. The trunk is open, bro. Oh, it's not focusing. Bro. Close it, bro. We got a proper Ferrari lineup. SF90 and 296. Oh my god, the police is there. Closing, shutting down Metropol. Yeah, they will shut it down. Too much traffic. Always the same shit. Oh, SF90. Bro, parking skills on point. Oh, Zurich is crazy. Oh, that's a gorgeous color. Orange. It's pretty nice. So many cars. Bro, 1 AM in the morning.
Buzzer beater, do it all now, top corner talking home run. Touchdown, buzzer beater, do it all now, top corner like.
Holy shit. Whoa. Come on. No way. It's burning hot outside. The shooting session in the middle of the street. Bro, what? A second one? Bro, Zurich is Porsche heaven. With some yellow stripes. What's your opinion? Yay or nay? No! King! Bro! King! Bro! Bro! Bro, I love that Technica. But there you go. Wow. Looks good. Looks good. Oh my god. No way. Parking skills on point. Bro parked like nothing happened. Hidden park, no regrets. What the hell? Wait. Oh, of course he's from Ticino. But what's this? Oh my god. Liberty Walk M4. Bro, look at that Purosangue. It says Verde Masoni. I don't know if I spelled that correctly. Verde Masoni. I think so. Oh, that's sick. Bro, someone got wheel spin. Bro, he's ripping it. American muscle. Evo. Skateboarder. Damn. Is that satin yellow? Oh my god. What the hell? Look at the traffic. Oh, look at the rules. Damn. Oh, STS. Damn. Not bad. Wow. Sounded good. Damn, look at that. The BMW is still there.